Hello, my name's Ricky Cartwright and I'm from Protex, and I'm going to give you a quick demo showing how to take a part and turn it into an assembly in 3DEXPERIENCE. So as you can see on the screen here, I'm working in 3DEXPERIENCE. I've got my physical product at the top with my 3D shape underneath it, and then in this shape I've got a load of different part bodies here. And each of these part bodies I want to be its own individual part because as you can see they're individual components. I've got bolts and washers, and I've got my leveling foot and my L bracket in here, and when I'm ordering them on the BOM, I want them all to show as different parts. I don't want them to be under basically one part with all of these inside of it. So is there a quick and easy way to split this out once it's been created? Yes, there is. So you need to be in a physical product first. But you can't have a 3D shape on its own. It's got to be contained within a physical product for this to work. And then once you're in, if you're in tools here, you can just go into tools. And oh, sorry, you need to be active at the 3D shape level. That's the first mistake. So if you're active at the 3D shape level, but it's in a physical product, and make sure you're in part design. You can go into the tools, and there's this all the way over to the right here. There's this tool here called distribute, and you can say basically it distributes a concept part into several parts, which is exactly what we want. So it brings up this toolbar. Once you select it, you can choose whether you want the links or as specified, which basically copies the bodies. So for this, I want to remove the links. I want to completely delete this once it's finished. And it's its own thing, so you can have any kind of naming pattern you want there. So for this, I'm going to call it demo. And then you can see here it gives you the list of distributed content, so it automatically selects every part body under here. Okay, and it'll tell you can select what objects in there. You can change. It gives you the generated part name, which is come from the part body name. You can select an access system. If you can either create one or select one if you've got one set up for each one. So if you want it all to be around its own access system, you can do that. Include or removal, those are all different options. You can hit OK. And go through it, generate that, and you can see what it's done here. It's instead of having that 3D shape now, it's distributed it under the product, under the physical product. So now each part is included in here with its own part body. And you can go through basically what would be good practice once this is done is to go in and actually change the main solid function into the part body for each one, and then delete this empty body. So you've just got one in there. I would recommend doing that. Obviously, if you've got a lot of parts you're creating, it could be a bit time consuming, but it's definitely good practice to go through and do that. So you need to make sure your main part body is your solid item, and you can just delete that one out of there. And there you have it. Now you have each item independently. You can go into assembly design, and should be able to. There you go. I should be able to adjust these positions. I'll change these to one there. Check connections. That's automatically fixed everything. There we go. So as part of that tool, it automatically fixes everything together, which is useful. So you're not going to be accidentally moving it. But if you want to adjust the position of things, you can. And you can see I got double features here because it doesn't delete the original part bodies from your 3D shape. It leaves those in there. So if you then want to actually get rid of this, you have to go in and delete those afterwards. So I'll just hide it for now, but you can delete them out of there, and you can see I've I got my 3D shape with all the different elements in here. I can adjust as I want. So that's a quick guide to how to do that. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you want more of these kind of tips or you want to learn more how to work with 3D Experience. At Protex, we're experts in the Delmia brand, but we do a lot of work with Katia as well as Anovia as well. And we'd love to hear more from how you guys are using 3D Experience, any challenges or issues you've had that you'd like to see us cover. Please reach out and get in touch with us because we'd love to work with you and make sure your 3D Experience journey is as smooth as it can be. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye.